Alright guys, so I know it's been a while since I've made an update video. Got the intercooler mounted with the bumper on. Still got to do a couple modifications for that. Got all my vacuum lines all wired up. Got an intake on my turbo over there. Not the cleanest engine bay. Still trying to get my loft out to work. I do got my exhaust all fabbed up. Let me walk around this. So that's all working. Very quiet, very happy with how that is. The one thing I'm not too happy about is this down here. And look how fucking low that exhaust is. Most likely that's gonna fucking snap off and I'm gonna be in trouble, which is not good. But all my gauges are working in here, which is good. We're just idling and cruising. About to take it out for a rip. I do have the little boost controller in. So there. Hopefully I have it set up right, because I honestly have no idea how the thing really works. So I guess we'll figure it out.